It's not. It's not. Check this out. I bought this for $25, hoping to, hoping it would be able to, press my. See, it's not strong enough. $25 wasted. I thought I could set up an alarm clock. This is pretty cool though, but it's just not strong enough for my uh strong enough to press my remote control. So I bought this. It's called Fingerbot. I'm sure it'll work on other apps, other devices, but it's just not strong enough to press my remote control at a set time. So I was hoping to set up an alarm clock so I can turn my TV on. Uh, but it's just not strong enough. Okay, thanks for watching. Thanks for trying, Fingerbot. It's probably not intended for the remote control, but I just thought I'd try. Didn't work. Oh well. Waste of $25 plus I think 15 for shipping. Okay, thanks for watching.